read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Our today's lesson is about exactly number 14, expected learning outcome. The student is expected to count, identify and write the number 14. Open the bag. Put out your books and notebooks. Count them. How many notebooks do you have in your bag? And how many books? And after that, we will count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 notebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books. Now we will count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, very good. Okay, we developed the sense of counting. After that, visualize them. This is number 14. This is number 14. 14 books and notebooks. Look at this image. 14 books. After that, we will teach them how to write number 14. It's very easy peasy work, easier they like to write because number 1 and number 4, they are already familiar with these two numbers. So let's start. Start from red dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the red dot, come straight down, make sleeping line, make another straight line. It will make number 4. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 4, 14. After that, it's very important to visualize them. 10 rupee note and 4 coins. Call the students. They will come to you and count how many coins and rupee are there on the table. Altogether, these are 14 rupees. After that, you will tell this story to the kids. 14 books were on the shelf. We have counted now. Same like that. They were arranged neatly. The shelf had many colorful covers. The shelf had many colorful covers. Very good. I hope so. You enjoyed it and you will teach same like this to the students. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.